Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a Dixon Speedster ZTR. It's a 42-inch cut. There's a story behind this one here. Last year during the summertime sometime, a lot of stuff started happening to it, like the belt from the engine to the deck is off. The choke is froze. The battery's dead. Anyways, they just parked it because they thought they were going to buy a new zero turn this year. Well, this spring the price of zero turns went through all lawnmowers went through the roof, and they couldn't afford it. So they asked me if I could get it going for them because they figured it'd be a lot cheaper to get this one going and buy a new one. I says, well, I'll try my best to do it. So, like I said, there's a lot of stuff to do with this. So, hope you enjoy the video. It's going to be a long one. So, okay, I guess we'll start with the deck. We'll sharpen the blades, check out the quill assemblies, grease everything up under there, and see why the belt fell off, if it's broke or. So they're mowing the mud, checking to make sure all the bearings are good. They all feel good. Gotta clean off the heads of the bolts so I don't strip them out. Other than the blades all muddy, the deck itself is pretty clean. Alright, let's go sharpen these things. And when I sharpen them, like I'll go like 10 times on this side and 10 on the other side. But if it needs more, I'll do it equally. Turned out pretty nice. So we're going to do 20 per side, it looks like. There, we got some nice sharp blades now. Let's go put them on. See they fit on the star. Wings up in the deck. I'm going to lower it a little bit and lower the deck and see why the belt came off. Okay, I need to take these covers off, one on each side. It's like a ½ inch. Well, it's all full of mud and stuff. Now we gotta clean all this mud and stuff out of here. How did they get so much mud in here? There's some bad spots in this belt. Probably some cords broke. That's probably why it came off. Bad spot right there. I'm gonna go look for a belt and I'm gonna clean the top of this deck off. Get all that mud off there. Okay, I got the belt on. I'm gonna grease all them zerks now. Couple on the front tires here, might as well do. Now let's do the tires. We're gonna have 12 in the front and 10 in the back. That way it'll cut level. Okay, now we're gonna start working on around the motor and stuff now. I put the charger on the battery all night last night, and this morning I checked it and nothing. I'm gonna put a new battery in there. And I got a new choke cable for it. Fuel filter is full of junk, so definitely got to replace that. Yeah, I'll be glad to get this thing done. We wanted a new one, but like I said earlier, the prices, that stuff is through the roof. Okay. Battery's done. Okay, I'm going to drain the oil. Drain the oil, put new filters on it, and spark plug, and I'm going to do that choke. Okay, change oil, change the fuel filter, and I got a new air filter for it. But we need to put a new choke cable on there because this one's froze. Okay, I got a new one here. We're going to make them the same length. This is a universal choke cable. Take the nut off. See, water ran in here and it froze up right there. Pull that cable out. So we're going to cut the wire here. And I made this Z-clip thing. Just like that. So we'll stick this through here. Put the nut on. Guess we gotta have a washer here. There we go. We'll just run the wire. So it'll be like a new lawnmower when it's all done. There, it works now. Put a twist tie on that. Well, next step is put some gas in it. See if it starts. Well, I didn't realize it's this late out. It's already dark. It took a lot longer than I thought, but it seems to run good. Anyways, hope this video helped you out. Like I said earlier, we're planning on buying a new lawnmower, but prices went skyrocketing, so they decided to bring this one back to life again. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button. Please subscribe. You guys have a good evening now.